జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. Probably Sitama is thinking that Ravana should die in the hands of Rama. And for Rama to kill Ravana, the main reason is Ravana did so wrong to Sita Devi. Like this, Hanuma talking to Vanaras and saying that, "Oh my dear Vanaras, now I told you everything about my trip. Edatra pratikartavyam. Now you all decide what we should be doing now." Like that, Hanuma said to all Vanaras. After listening to Hanuma, whatever he said about his trip, Angada saying like this, "Oh my dear Vanaras, I am also thinking that we should get Sita Devi and then go to Rama." Whatever Hanuma said, I am also thinking in the same way. Because you are all great soldiers and having this much of strength, if we all go to Rama, say that, "Drishta Devi, we have seen Sita Devi. Nachanita, but we did not bring Sita Devi." If we say those words to Rama, iti tatra nivedanam ayuktam, it won't sound any good. That is why we have to get Sita Devi and then go to Rama. When Angada said like that, Jambavan is saying to Angada and other Vanaras like this, "Oh Angada, whatever you said is not right, because no matter how much ever strong we are, we have to do only whatever Rama said. We should not be taking our own decisions." When Jambavan said like that, then Angada, Hanuma, all Vanaras accepted that. Then Hanuma started flying from Mahendragiri. All Vanaras following Hanuma. They are all very much excited to go to Rama. When they are all going towards Rama, all Vanaras, they are staring at Hanuma with showing exceeding amount of affection on Hanuma. Every Vanara is looking at Hanuma. It is looking that entire scene, Hanumantam Mahavegam Vahanta Ivadrishtibhihi. It is looking like all Vanaras carrying Hanuma with their vision. Like that, they are all flying and going towards Rama. Every Vanara is very much excited to tell Rama about this good news. And every Vanara is getting ready for war. And every Vanara is filled up with so much of gratefulness, gratitude towards Rama. They wanted to help Rama back again. So with all those kind of feelings and thoughts, they are all flying, and on their way they have seen one beautiful park. Ettat madhuvanam nama Sugrivasya abhirakshitam. That vanam, that park's name is Madhuvanam. There are so many fruits and so many trees. That Madhuvanam is of Sugriva. And Sugriva's uncle Dadhimukha is taking care of that Madhuvanam. And all these Vanaras wanted to drink madhu, honey over there. They asked Angada's permission. Angada consulted Jambavan and other elders and said okay. When Angada said okay, all the Vanaras felt very much excited. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.